How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your League of Legends stuck on the tutorial patching screen. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually exit out of the game. And to do that, if you're having a problem, you just want to press Ctrl Alt Delete on your keyboard and then click on Task Manager. But if you can access your desktop, just simply right click on your taskbar right here, click Task Manager. And inside this page, you just want to simply close out of League of Legends. So just simply look for it. In my case, it's going to be this one. Click on the end task, and then this will completely close out League of Legends once again. Right after, head over to the Riot Games launcher, click on your profile icon, click setting, and then in here, we just want to click on League of Legends, scroll down, and click on the repair button. This will go ahead and repair any errors, including the one being stuck on the tutorial patching screen. But before you go ahead and do this, I suggest being patient. But if it's really stuck after waiting for a couple of hours, you then want to go ahead and do this process right here. And if it still didn't work, you completely want to uninstall the game and install a new one. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.